What's going on? It's Kate Kozich here, and I'm taking you behind the scenes with some of Samsung's 2022 Lifestyle TVs. Now, Samsung differentiates itself year after year with TVs that take on specific form factors like a picture frame or even a rotating easel. Let's go take a closer look at all of these Samsung Lifestyle TVs you're going to be able to buy this year. First up, we have the ever-famous frame. This TV gained traction for making it look like you've hung up a piece of artwork instead of a TV. We've seen the frame's moldings updated before, but this year's alteration is way more meaningful. It now comes with an upgraded matte anti-reflective display that's designed to fix light scattering surface irregularities, creating a more lifelike paper and canvas texture for when you're not watching TV. In other words, the images you choose to display should look more like true framed art instead of a framed TV showing art. Then there's the Serif, which also kind of has an artsy feel like the frame, plus it will be upgraded this year to the improved anti-reflective display as well. This TV has its stand built in and skews towards smaller sizes, making it a bit more movable. The back casing also hides all the inputs so the TV can be the centerpiece of the room. This is a statement set, so it's not for everyone, but at least it's more comparable to the frame now in terms of picture performance. Next up is the Serra, which I call the TikTok TV, and it's pretty obvious why. It rotates between horizontal and vertical orientation, so you can watch a movie, then cast TikTok or other social media apps, and the Serra will automatically rotate in respect to the content. This is the older version we're looking at, but there's one coming later this year with the anti-glare display. Still, I could see myself showing off Tom's Guide's TikTok videos to my friends on there, and yes, that's me saying you should go follow Tom's Guide on TikTok if you don't already. There's a portable projector called the Freestyle, a larger short throw projector, and some outdoor TVs also included in Samsung's Lifestyle TV lineup. But to recap, the frame, the Serif, and the Serra are the ones that have been updated this year with an improved display. I hope you enjoyed coming with us on this little tour of Samsung's 2022 Lifestyle TVs. As always, Tom's Guide is your destination for all home entertainment, news, and reviews. I'll catch you next time.